start. When the whole world was in the grip of devastating pandemic, it could never have been said that the parties were sleeping over their rights. Full stop. It is at this juncture that this court stepped in and after taking suo moto cognizance passed order under Article 142 of the Constitution of India extending the deadlines. Full stop. The extraordinary situation was dealt with rightly by extraordinary orders protecting the rights of parties by ensuring that their remedies and defenses were not barred. Full stop. This court has taken cognizance of the situation arising out of the challenge faced by the country on account of COVID 19 virus and resultant difficulties that may be faced by litigants across the country in filing their petitions within the period of limitation prescribed under the general law of limitation or under special laws. Para. This code extended the period of limitation prescribed under the general law or special laws, whether compoundable or not, with effect from 15/3/2020 till further orders. Full stop. The order dated 15/3/2020 was extended from time to time. Full stop. Though we have not seen the end of the pandemic, there is considerable improvement. Full stop. The lockdown has been lifted and the country is returning to normalcy. Full stop. Almost all the courts and tribunals are functioning either physically or by virtual mode. Full stop. We are of the opinion that the order dated 15/3/2020 has served its purpose, and in view of the changing scenario relating to the pandemic, the extension of limitation should come to an end. Para. Provided that where the defendant fails to file the written statement within the said period of 30 years, he shall be allowed to file the written statement on such other day as may be specified by the court for reasons to be recorded in writing and on payment of such costs as the court deems fit, but which shall not be later than 120 days from the date of service of summons, and on expiry of 120 days from the date of service of summons, the defendant shall forfeit the right to file the written statement, and the court shall not allow the written statement to be taken on record. Para. In the plain language of clause 4, in our opinion, it is not a stipulation to prohibit the institution and continuation of disciplinary proceedings, much less indefinitely, merely because of the pendency of a criminal case against the delinquent employee. Full stop. On the other hand, It is an enabling provision permitting the institution or continuation of disciplinary proceedings if the employee is not put on trial by the prosecution within 1 year from the commission of the offence or the prosecution fails to proceed against him for want of any material full stop as can be culled out from the last sentence of clause 4 which applies to a case where the criminal case has in fact proceeded as in this case for trial full stop. The term completion of the trial threat must be construed as completion of the trial within a reasonable time frame. Stop.